Hey, welcome to Amateur Investing. I didn't do a weekly update last week, and I'm sorry about that. I hope you can forgive me. If not, uh, I don't know what to tell you, man. That's between you and God.
What we do here is go back.
Alright, so Public is doing very good because GameStop is being nice to me. I'm at $820.79. The question is, will I ever sell GameStop? The world may never know. Webull, I'm at 171.78. I made a couple day trades and closed out some positions, so that went really well. My Ethereum is going crazy. Remember, I only put in $50. Now it's at 85.79. The Bitcoin that I haven't touched is at 49.47, and the Bitcoin that I've been touching too much is at 83.50. I have been looking more into algorithmic trading. I found a new algorithm I'm going to try to steal with a different crypto instead of Bitcoin, so I might be abandoning ship to try to get something a little more profitable. And I have been looking into BlockFi because their interest rates are crazy, but the issue is if I move my Bitcoin and Ethereum from Binance into BlockFi, the transfer fee is like just under half of what I have. So it's better just to hold on to it and let it grow, I guess. So all in all, that puts my total at $1,211.33, meaning I am back in profit. Now it's time to address the elephant in the room. The title of this video. I was wrong about ARCC. Yeah, it turns out I had a fundamental misunderstanding about how dividends are calculated, and because this is amateur investing, I think it's important for me to clarify that to you. So I thought that the percent of a dividend is how much you get paid out with each payout. That's not the case. That is the combined payout through the entire year. So to explain, for ARCC, the dividend rate is 8.34 and it pays out quarterly. So I thought that meant you got 8.34% 4 times a year. That is not correct. You get 1/4 of that 4 times a year. So if you reinvest your dividends back into the stock, I thought that having an 8.34% growth rate would mean that in a year it would grow to 37.8%, even if it moved completely sideways. That's not correct. And while it does compound, 8.34% will only lead to 8.6 growth because you'll get 2.085% each quarter. What that does mean is that the more something compounds, the better it is. So I've been looking at a lot of stocks that pay out dividends monthly rather than quarterly. Alright, so that's my weekly update. I hope you learned something. I think we're doing pretty good this week. Hopefully it continues on to next week, and hopefully you didn't tell everyone the lies I told you about the 36% growth rate. Alright, hope you have a good one. Bye!